Okay. So now I get to turn on. Where is it? Where is it? I know I have it. Aha. Eclipse. Eclipse, yes. This is going to be great. Because, of course, I've done this and I've been doing this every day for the past 10 years. Not. Oh dear. This is so much fun to learn, though. It'll start. Okay. Okay. Yep. So this is the way I'm choosing to learn to code is through Minecraft modding. I'm going about this a little bit strangely though. I'm using 1.8.9 because I would like to create a mod that changes the way the sword looks when you're swinging it, but it's that apparently is something that's rather difficult. I have no idea. This is my first time trying to code, so I have no idea what I'm doing. And so the idea is I'm starting with the basics. So I've got I've got a sword, shovel, hoe, pickaxe, axe, copper ingot. I added a new, well, basically what I've been doing is I've been following tutorials. And so we're going to try and see if we can get this. We're going to see if we can get a tutorial up here. I'm going to go and search for one because I have no idea how I'm supposed. This is very difficult for me because I've never done this before. Well, it's not that I haven't done this before. It's just that I'm not very good at it. All right, so let's see here. So we're gonna see. Hopefully we can get. I'm trying to. I think it was TM Minecraft. I haven't done this in a little while, anyways. Okay. Minecraft and 8.9 coding tutorial. Okay, let's see. There's Mr. Crayfish. CJ, not TM. CJ, I like him. CJ Minecraft. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So this is the thing here. Now, trying to remember what I've actually done so far. Let's see, does it say? Oh. That's right, that's because it's with my other account. I was watching this, so let's see here. About like that. Okay, let's see here. What can we get? I believe I did wall generation already. Potion effects on tools, potion effects on armor. I don't use potions and stuff, so not really something I would do. Let's see. Crafting and block states metadata. That's property direction. These are all very very difficult for me to understand, but let's see. All right. Metadata. I think that's a good spot to start. Okay, so I'm gonna first of all though, I also wanted to do this. So I actually did this from 11:35 to 11:55. Oh, hi, Mendel. What, you wanted to come spend time with me? Hi. Listen, I'm gonna procrastinate with you because this is kind of difficult. Yeah. This is difficult and I'm tired. But that's okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get through this, right? Yes, we are. So pretty. Can you please go back up there? Yay. Okay. Coding. Here we go. And now we get to do 11:05. All right. Okay. Here we go. This is CJ Minecraft's theme song. Got like particles and they go.
Hi guys, Minecraft here. Welcome to another Minecraft modding tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to add metadata to your items.
Okay, so we're learning.
You first want to go into your mod items class, and we're going to make an item.
Okay, so we're gonna go into our mod, and we go into the items class. Okay. Oh wait, did he say items or it looks? He said items, but it looks like what he meant is in it because he pulled down in it. Yeah.
So let's also go into the items package and create a new.
Okay, so we're creating a new class. Okay, let's just click somewhere. Okay, now we should be good. All right, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go items. We're gonna go file, new class, right? Okay, let's see what we're calling this.
Item. So I'm going to call this item gear. So it's going to be.
Huh. So apparently we add metadata to certain things, but he said gear. So we're going to do gear. So item, but they like this capitalized. Item, gear. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now.
Gears, mine is. So you first want to make a constructor. So press Control Space, item gear.
Right. Okay. So we're going to go down here. Control Space, item gear constructor. There we go. This is so helpful because I wouldn't know all these like little tricks like Control Space gives you that. Now we're going to get rid of that, right? Oops.
We're going to take in the unlocalized name in the constructor. So string unlocalized name.
Interesting. So we're making a string. I wonder what this is going to do. String unloc. It doesn't help that I can't really spell, can it? Unlocalized name. Okay.
Extends item.
Okay, so this extends item, which is a class in the Minecraft, I believe. Oh wait, no, this we. Oh, it is. Item. Okay. Item. Yeah. Okay, string, unlocalized names, extends item, and we do Control-Shift-O to import, is that right? Yeah. So we're gonna do, let's make sure I'm correct.
Good if it did.
Yeah.
So
okay. We're gonna import that. Right. Yay. Okay.
Minecraft item, and then this dot set unlocalized name.
Okay, now we're setting the unlocalized name. This, so that's for this, obviously. Set, I think. At this point, I could be just totally wrong, right? I have no idea. Unlocalized name. And what are we calling it?
To the unlocalized name. This
Okay.
Dot set creative tab to
Okay.
of everything. Dot
Hold on.
items.
Okay, so we get to set creative tab. Wow. This dot set creative tab. And we got to, I forget what I called my tab. So we're going to check on that. Never know. Let's see. Proxy. World Gen. Where would I put this? I don't know. Did I put it anywhere? I can check by going... Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh, okay. Practice tab. Dot tab practice. Okay, practice mod dot tab practice. Okay. Practice mod dot tab practice. Okay, we're gonna do that. Practice mod dot tab practice. Okay. Boom. Okay. We have an issue here. Why? Just get this. Since item string unlocalized on. Maybe I have a spelling error. Oh, wait a minute. CAAC. I bet that's it. CA. There we go. Okay. I knew I was spelling that wrong. Okay. Alright. And I was having issues here, I do seem to remember, with... I did this, and then I tried set creative tab. Practice mod dot tab practice. I do that, and then I get this. Not really sure why. Cannot convert from item to item pickaxe. Okay. See, I'm not really sure what the fix is for this. And I don't really... I'll probably, if I get through this first video, I'll go back and see if I can do that. Alright, so we got this.
Just set the creative tab. Now, because it's going to have metadata, it's actually going to have multiple items. So, I'm going to do this dot set has subtypes to true.
Ah, subtypes.
So, show space. And then get subtypes. Or sub items. And
okay.
Yep. The first thing that you want.
So let's take a look at what he's doing here. So he's setting his so we have subtypes now because we just set that to true. Now let's figure this out. Okay. We need to add override because that's going to help us. Now we do public void get subtypes. Items, I'm sorry. Get sub items. And we've got... Alright, let's see. How did he do that so fast? I want to see, because there's no way he typed that. So let's see.
Or sub items.
Okay, we're going to just redo this, because he did that fast, and I want to figure out how he did that.
And then get subtypes.
Okay, so he just does get sub and alright, so how come we're not having the same? Let's look at this again. Why is this doing this?
Dot set has subtypes to true. So that means that it's going to have subtypes. So control space and then get subtypes.
Control space. That is a useful one. Control space. Get sub items. Bam. There we go. Awesome.
Sub items and
get rid of the stub.
The first thing that you want to do here is sub items dot add, and it's new item stack, and I'm just going to rename this to item and items.
Okay, so you're doing items. Okay, so item stack, we add in our little doohickey there, and a little beedly bop here, I'm guessing, maybe? I don't know. He didn't do that, so we're gonna wait. Okay. Item in, and then what's he naming that one?
So
items. Okay. He's just doing this. Okay. Alright. So now what does he do?
Let's rename this to items. So new item stack.
Items.add. Okay. I see. You would have to do this because we just renamed that. That makes sense.
The item in.
We're putting the item
is
in.
1 and damage value is 0. So I'm gonna have
1
iron gears, gold
0.
gears, diamond gears, and copper gears, and wooden gears and stone gears. So for each one of these, I'm going to add a new one. So I'm going to add another one, and it's a new item stack again. And it's going to be that item. That's going to be 1, and that's going to have damage of 1. So we can just copy and paste this, really.
Wow, I really don't understand why he's doing this. But so let's see, we got... I don't know how many things are in Minecraft, but let's see, we got diamond, iron, gold, stone, wood, and now we have copper, because I'm adding that in this time. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it looks like he's just putting this, that'll be copper, wood, stone, iron, gold, and diamond. Beautiful. I love it when he does this fast thing. It's so funny sounding.
So then that's all of them. Then we need to do a get unlocalized name.
That makes sense. So this guy, I think this is what you call setters and getters. I'm not sure. Get. Okay, control space. Get. Now what are we getting?
So get unlocalized.
Get unlocalized name. Control space. Unlocalized name. Bam. Boop. Okay.
Name. And we want to do one that has stack as a parameter.
Uh-oh. Did I do this? No, I didn't. Darn it. I'm going to redo it. Control. We have to go back like this and get rid of that. Okay. Control space. Get unlocalized name. And stack as a parameter, right? Okay. That's what we're doing. We're getting rid of the stub. Boop, bop, pow.
So we need to use this.
Okay.
So, yep, so first thing that you want to do is if stack dot get item damage is 0.
Get.
So if it's got no damage at all, you want to return the default one. So I'm just going to call it stone. And then by default, this is what it's going to be. So here, you want to put the default one. So when it has no damage. And then we can just control C this and do it when it's data damage 1. So like this is going to be, that's going to be wood actually, sorry. So wood, and then it's going to be stone.
Right. Yeah, these are cool. Right. Okay. So. Okay. I like these things because I heard in the early days of coding you didn't have these. So this is pretty helpful. And I type so slow, it's not even funny. Item damage. Okay. I type to plus equals 0. Then we do a squiggly bracket. Boop. Why did I put the squiggly bracket here? Turn. Okay. Alright. We got squiggly brackets. We got boobly bops. We're all good. Alright. So, we're going to copy this like he said to do. 4, 5, and 6. And for some reason, it did a funny. And I put a little doodly bop there, so I'm going to get rid of that. Tab. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Whippy doodly dee. Okay. Alright. Return. Uh-oh, I should have done this. R-E-T-U-R-N. Mendel! Mendel! Do you know they can hear that and it's very loud for them? Well, nobody's watching right now. But someone could watch in the future. And then they would see that you're sitting on my microphone. And that doesn't really work. But I know you like the attention. I know you do. But here, can you step up, please? Can you please step up? Mendel, can you please step up? I'm asking you nicely. Can you step up, please, little guy? Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. I know you don't really like it when I pat your beak. I know. I know, but you're getting all puffy. That's cute. Yeah. You're a good boy. I know. Yeah, you're not a big bird. I wish you could ruin your feathers. Yeah, I know you don't like that. What? Oh, now you're gonna attack my feet. Now you're gonna attack my feet. Is that the way that works? I see how it is. So I'm just gonna, like, do this. I should have done this. Okay, and now I'm gonna do a stone. Stop it. Stone. Iron. 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 And then we've got... I think the next one is... gold. Right. Uh-oh. Diamond. And then we got copper. Okay. Alright, and now we're going to change it to uno. Dos. You can listen to my masterful Spanish accent. Tres. Cuatro. No, that's not cool. Cinco. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0. Gold.
So then that's all the stuff
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Now, we want to go into our mod items class and we want to make our item.
Oh, that's right. And I have to change this to... Ooh, I have to go back because I missed that. This is a 12-minute tutorial.
Now, we want to go
We're only 3 minutes in.
We want to make our item.
And we've been streaming for quite a while. Okay, I have to go back further, don't I?
That's going to be wood, actually. Sorry. So, wood, and then it's going to be...
Okay. Return. Bip, bip. Scroll back. So actually supposed to be here. Yeah. Wood. There we go. Okay. Okay, save. Now we go back into our class.
Stone.
Menda, you're picking at my feet.
So then that's all the stuff here.
Okay.
Now, we want to go into our mod items class, and we want to make
Okay.
our item. So public static item, and I'm going to call it gear.
Item gear. So we're making an item. Have I done this already? Wait a minute. Item gear. Items. He has his copper ingot in here. What is this? Mod items. He's going into his item class. Why don't I understand this? So he's got his item gear up here. He's got his bit of everything mod, and so he's got mod items. Do I not have mod items for some crazy reference? Ah, practice tab. I found it. It's down here. Okay. Okay, practice mod is here. Roll gen. Common proxy, client proxy. Strange. Okay, let's see. I know I must have a copper ingot somewhere. So, if I go to my clients, my client proxy, and my common proxy, it's the one, practice items. Okay, so I'm looking, practice items in it. Right, okay. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Okay. So we're making a new thing, and it's called public static item gear. Gear.
So that's what I'm going to call it. I'm not going to call it copper or anything. Don't want to initialize it. So gear equals new item gear.
Okay, so now he has to initialize it, register item, register render. I think I get all that. So, Mendel, what are you doing? Why? Get off the microphone. Turn around if you're gonna sit up there. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Trouble with a capital T. Okay? Tool materials. Okay? Copper ingot. Okay. Gear equals new item gear. Heh. Wait a minute. Item gear. Okay, that should work. Item gear. Now let's see if I can figure this out from here. I'm guessing we're going to have to do that. Then do set unlocalized. Name. Okay. Oh, I put one of those instead of one of the other ones. Okay. And the name has to be gear. Okay. Now we're going to... I'm going to see if that works. Did that work? Do I have to import something? No? Okay, let's see what he does differently.
Control space, and we want to put in the localized name, which is going to be gear.
Ah.
And
Okay. Right. That makes sense, because we're not setting the unlocalized name. We've already set the unlocalized name. Right. Back in here, right? We did this unlocalized name. There we go. It's unlocalized name. Okay. Fair enough. Now.
there we go. So we need to actually register an item. Yep, so you do it as you would normally.
Oh,
So
yeah. Okay. Register. So we're going to do, register item, gear. Okay. Okay, and register render. Right. Register render. I wish I understand, like, all the stuff that was happening behind this, too. Gear. Like, that actually Forge is doing, because... Yeah, I mean, I'm modding with Forge, if that wasn't clear by now, but... This is, I wish I understand, like, everything that was happening.
register item, and it's going to be gear.
Yeah, okay.
So it's going to register it as we would normally. So we registered it. Now registering the renders is a bit different. At the moment, we've hard coded in this 0, and that 0 is in fact the metadata. So I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to take in the item. I'm going to take in the meta.
Now this is interesting. Okay. So I copy this entire thing, and then I have to repaste it again? Whew. I don't know about that. I don't know if I can handle a simple copy paste. I might just explode. Okay. Anyways. Okay, and now we have to initialize init, or no, metadata? Let's see if that works.
We're also going to take in
No.
X.
So, meta. She's just calling it the meta. And it's a string.
String, which is going to be the file name.
The file name. Fascinating to me. This is so fascinating, okay.
And there we go. So if we just
File.
put here, meta, that's going to be the metadata. Now.
Okay. Here we go. I see, yes. Ah. This makes sense.
Now, we want to do not item.get unlocalized name. We just want to put file name here.
Wow. I think I like kind of have this basic understanding of how this is working. I have to get rid of this entire thing. Up to where? Okay, so plus, up to the plus. And we're just putting file name now. This is so much, I understand.
Now, we'll pretty much do the same as that, but we just have to do it differently because it has metadata. So, register render, and you want to do that one, and the item is the gear. The meta is 0, and the file name, I'm going to call it, first one is wood underscore gear. And then you got to do this for all the different ones, all the different damage values.
Wow. Okay, so that's a little more. We start adding in metadatas, we start getting... It starts getting serious when you start adding in metadatas. Okay. Register, render. Okay, I'm just gonna, I'm actually just gonna do a copy paste. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Stone. The stone gear. Iron gear. Oh, I can't capitalize that, huh? Iron gear. Gold gear. Diamond gear. And finally, we have the copper gear. Okay. Wow. Crazy.
So we do in fact need to do something called the model bakery. Now, you've got to make sure you go to your client proxy and your common
Client proxy and common proxy. Okay. We're going to go to common proxy first.
proxy. So in the common proxy, we need to create a new method called public void register model bakery stuff. That's just what I'm going to call it, and that's not going to have anything in the common proxy because this is called on the client proxy. So if we just click on register model bakery stuff, go to override it, so don't need to call it super, and all we want to do is model bakery dot register item variants. Now if you're doing 1.8, it's add variant name, but that's deprecated in 1.8.9. So if we just do this, and it's mod items dot gear and the names. So it's going.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's head back here.
Register.
I'm going to start with this one. So, I kind of understand. We're registering it. I think I get that. Public void register. And I should probably use the right spelling and without capital locks, huh? Void register. Did I not? No, I hit tab. Oh my goodness. Which I need to now get rid of. Oh my goodness. Okay. Public. Void. Register. Okay.
Model bakery stuff.
Model bakery stuff. Why? Why model bakery stuff? What is that? Where are we getting model bakery stuff? Let me figure out if I can figure it out first. Public void model bakery stuff. Where is that from? We have to register. Why are we calling it model bakery stuff, though? His mod is that he's making in the tutorial is called Bit of Everything. I don't think he said model bakery stuff up to this point. I just don't understand. I guess for now I'll just put it as what he has. Okay. Register model bakery stuff, huh? Okay. And I'm going to go up to 720p so that I can actually see this tutorial. Thank you very much. Okay.
That's just what I'm going to call it.
Okay. I should have literally listened to the next three stuff. The next three words he said, because he said, that's just what I'm going to call it. Okay. So we're making this title here. Now, model bakery stuff. Is this what I want to call this? Register. But why would I call it that? I'm going to call it register. Practice stuff. Yeah. That sounds good. Register practice stuff. And I'm going to do it properly with the capitalized spots and everything. Oh my goodness.
And that's not going to have anything in the common proxy, because this is called on the client proxy.
On the client proxy is when we call this. I see. So
if we just click on register model bakery stuff, let's go to override it.
This is like literally the best tutorials ever. I love these guys' tutorials. Well, I can't say that. I also really enjoyed Mr. Crayfish's tutorials, but he only had like 8 of them for 1.8.9. That doesn't really work for when I'm trying to learn things. And this guy actually says in his description, he says, email me if you have questions, which is great because I have questions. I haven't gotten to emailing him yet, and I'm kind of worried because he hasn't uploaded in like a while. So I'm hoping he's okay, praying for him. But I think I'm hoping he is, and I'm hoping that once I get to, if he doesn't answer my questions with his tutorials, I'm gonna watch all of them. I'm gonna follow them to the best of my ability. I'm gonna learn what I can, and then I'm gonna email him if I have more questions. But he's got like 24 tutorials on 1.8.9 modding, which is, I'm really happy about this. And I really am just talking to procrastinate having to write this out because I know I have to do like that. That's not right. Okay. Space. Okay. Register practice stuff. Bam. Okay. Get rid of the stub. Stubs are ugly, I guess, because nobody ever keeps them. It's like, why do they put them there? Maybe so that there's just no, yeah, of that. Register. Well, let's see.
So, don't need to call it super.
Don't need to call the super. I see.
And all we want to do is model bakery dot register item variants. Now, if you're doing 1.8,
okay, so we're doing, because mine is register practice stuff. We're doing practice stuff dot. Nothing came up. That's okay. I'm gonna go control. No default proposals. This could be an issue. Model bakery. Maybe we didn't make this here. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm gonna say model bakery. Oh, you know what I forgot to add? Dot. Oopsie. Okay. Practice stuff dot. Add variant names is what we're looking for. Add and name. Let's see what happens.
Add variant name, but that's deprecated in 1.8.9. So if we just do this,
register. G Yes. Item variants. Dot register item. Okay. We're definitely doing something wrong here. It could be that I got rid of this. Starting to get a little worried that I'm missing something here. Hmm. Model bakery. Why model bakery? Mod. Let's see. Register practice stuff. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure this out. I thought I already initialized the practice stuff. Let's see if I can figure out. See if I can find comments. Modify only this. Yeah, this guy's so helpful. I hope he's. This was 5 years ago, though. Okay, let's see. Doesn't look like there's any answers in the comments this time. I'm gonna have to go back and see if I can figure it out. Okay. So, he said that's just what he tried to call it, so. Wait a minute, are we in client? No, we're in common. Let's go back to, uh-oh, I think I went back too far. Okay. Register.
Common proxy, because this is called on the client proxy. So if we just click on register model bakery stuff.
Okay. Stuff. Okay. Stuff. Now client proxy.
Go to override it, so don't need to call it super. And all we want to do is model bakery. dot register item variants. Now, if you're doing 1.8, it's add variant name.
Okay. So somewhere along the lines, I made something that I'm actually supposed to be calling on here. I can't actually just do this. My guess it's in one of the things that we just made. Now he called this the same that I did, which is item gear. So I don't think it's going to be that. But I don't know, maybe you can just maybe you can just do this. That would be good. Practice stuff. Dot.
But that's deprecated in 1.8.9. So if we just
I'm just gonna type it in.
do this, and it's mod items dot gear.
Mod items dot gear. Mod items dot gear.
And the names. So it's going to be a new resource location. Press.
Okay. New resource location. Control stow. Maybe.
Control space. And I'm just going to taking this.
Okay. Control space.
String, and it's got to be
string
on localized name, so BOE colon, and then
oopsie. BOE colon.
The first one is wood underscore gear. I've got to do this for every single one, so I recommend just select the comma and Control C and Control V.
Okay. So wood gear. Okay. Select the comma. Copy. B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Stone. Iron. Gold. Not gold, just gold. And diamond. And copper. I'm getting more and more tired as this goes along. Okay. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah.
And just fill these in. And it's like sort of like what we did before with that ... thing for the potion effects on the apple. Sort of like that. So that's what it does. So it goes on forever. So there was in fact something that I forgot to do. So here, when we're getting the unlocalized name, we want to actually get the default unlocalized name and add it to this. So before on each one, so this dot get unlocalized name plus then it's going to be dot wood. Yep. So and then you just want to add this. So I'm gonna.
Okay. I see what he's doing. So we're just gonna do this here. He's just fixing a mistake. This dot get unlocalized Localized name. Boop. Oops. Boop. Boop. Plus this and dot. And we're going to a copy and a paste. Boom. Bop. Pow. Scooley up. Oops. I forgot that one. Okay. Okay, now. I'm going to save this, and as you're going to see, we have an issue. Yes, we do. We have an issue because for some reason, I wonder if I have REG. Did I forget anything back there? I don't know. I'm just going to keep watching the tutorial for now.
And there we go. So that's going to just fix up that. So then if we go into BOE language file and right click, open with text editor, then we can in fact do this item. So it's going to be item.gear dot, then it's going to be the type, so wood dot name equals wooden gear. And you got to do this for every single item that you got one. So
oh my goodness. So much repetitiveness. Ah, okay. Okay. We're just going to do this. Okay. Item back here. Wood. Stone. Stone. Ah. Stone. Iron. Gold. Yes, I'm getting tired. Diamond. Copper.
so that's our language file done. And now, because in the model bakery we put, this is the model file, so it's going to be wood underscore gear. So I want to go into your folder. I'm just going to get...
Okay. I still have troubleshooting to do to figure out what I have to do here. But I'm pretty much out of time for tonight. I have a minute left. So I'm going to call it a night here. Because this is very difficult for my brain to understand. And this seems like a fairly good stopping point. Alright. So, I'll do... I've already save all. Okay, I'm going to X out. Here's the Eclipse. Alright. Well, thank you so much. If you watch this in the future, I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you come back for more awesome, epic live streams where we are the masters of the live stream. Alright. God bless you and take care.